All right, everybody. So we're going to switch over now to robotics. Now, I know that it's going to be a little bit different than our traditional robotics class. Usually for robotics, we would build robots literally from like nothing. We would build the robot and program it, right? And have it do these different missions. Unfortunately, because of distance learning, we're not going to be able to build them, but we are able to program them. So for those of you who have prior knowledge of programming, hopefully this new programming software comes easy to you. If you have no experience with programming, don't worry. It's still pretty easy to kind of learn and go through it. I learned how to use it back in November. So this is the first time, again, I use it with my students. It's the year of trying something new. Um, so we're going to be working, they're called missions, mission by mission. It will guide you through it. It literally teaches you as you go. My number one suggestion for you is don't go too fast. And every time you get a pop-up window that says something, read it. I know a lot of times we get these pop-up windows and we just kind of go cancel or okay without even reading it. You're just like, yeah, okay. You go through the motions without really paying attention. Well, for this online coding, you can't just go through the motions. You have to really just take the time to read what it says, because it gives you tips and it gives you like directions and it teaches you like what you need to do and how you need to do things. Today's activity literally will take you about 5 minutes to complete. It teaches you how to like start the code. It teaches you real basic things. And it's gonna be pretty easy. It's gonna be pretty easy to start with. And then of course it gets progressively harder as we go. Eventually we will be doing more difficult things. But we're gonna start off nice and easy, nice and slow. First thing though is you're gonna create an account. Good news is that the login with Google works. So all you have to do is I'm going to give you the link and it's going to look like this. When I give you the link, it's going to say create an account and join Norma Lamelli's CoderZ class. You don't fill this part out. You don't fill in the username password. You don't do that. All you're going to do is you're going to sign in with Google. Okay. So once you get the link, all you have to do is click on sign in with Google, and then it's going to ask you for your age, and it's going to ask you for your role. Your role in this class is, of course, a student, right? So you enroll as a student. Again, you're going to click on sign in with Google once you see this window. Okay. So I'm going to give you the link in the actual chat. I'm going to give you the link in the chat. Copy. Paste. And I will actually see you guys register live. So your names are going to pop up on here. See right here, I have this class has no students. Eventually, I'll have all of you registered. So this is the time where everybody come back to Zoom and register. So you join my class. So I know that you're paying attention. This is where I realized, okay, who's paying attention and who has walked away from Zoom. Click on the link in the chat. Click in the link in the chat. And then log in. You'll see this window and then click sign in with Google. Sign in with Google. Oh, sorry. Before you get to that, it's this one. Don't have an account. Sorry. Don't have an account. So you click sign up and then sign in with Google. Sorry about that. So again, you'll see this window first. You don't have an account yet. Click sign up, then click sign in with Google. And then if I refresh here, who are my super fast students? All right, Angel, Jorge, Valentin, Stephanie, and Diego. Awesome. You guys are already registered. You pop up on my list. Fantastic. Where's everybody else? Where's everybody else at? Huh? Donde está everybody? So make sure that everybody else is trying to log on. Let me refresh. So, oops, I keep kicking this. It's not going now. Thank you, Matthew, for logging on. Okay, now, literally an assignment that's on your modules. I'm not sure if it's active. Let me double check. Yeah, so it is an active assignment logging into CoderZ. So you're literally going to take a screenshot of you successfully logging in, and that's going to give you points. All you have to do is literally log in, and you should have your name, right? Your name should appear here on the upper left, right-hand corner of CoderZ. So you take a screenshot of that and you submit it. That's literally 20 points, or yeah, I think 20 points. Yes. So Miguel, first screen you see is going to look like my screen. And then you click on sign up at the bottom. And then you get this screen, and then you click on sign in with Google. Okay. So this is the first screen. You click on sign up, then sign in with Google. Any other questions? Let me refresh. So Miguel Angel, there is a way, Miguel Angel, to screenshot using a Chromebook. There's like 2 keys you have to press. I don't know what those 2 keys are. I don't have a Chromebook. You can Google search screenshot using a Chromebook, and Google will show you how to do that. You can also take your iPad, literally take a picture of your screen, click, and upload that if you don't know how to screenshot. And so you click. So basically, when you log in, when you activate it, you will see this screen. You will see mission 1, 2, 3, and your name on the upper left-hand corner. This is what the screenshot that I want. So you don't need a class code. You don't need a class code. You don't need a class code. If you followed the link that I've given you, and you click on, you don't have an account, you click on sign up, and then you sign in with Google. My name should already be there. If you used my link, my name should be there because it's a unique link. So click on the link in the chat, and you shouldn't need a class code because it's the class code's already embedded in the link. So don't have an account, sign up, then click sign in with Google. Once, this is what you should see after. And this is what I want a screenshot of. Obviously you haven't completed the missions yet, but just logging on, just having your name there, logging on, that's a success in my books for today. I mean, we still have one more thing to do, but hey, we're good right here. And if I go to my classes and I refresh, let me know. Oh, I see so many of you. So I see now Valentin, Stephanie, Diego, Angel, Jorge, Matthew, Giselle, Eric, Ethan, Dylan, Miguel, Kevin have logged in. Is there anybody at the bottom? Nope. Did that link work for you guys? Did it still ask you for a class code? I didn't give anybody in 5th period class codes, just with the link. Emily, you're on. Cool. Vincent, you're on now. Thank you. What about the rest of it? What about the rest? Logan, are you going to do robotics with us, Logan? Osvaldo, are you doing robotics? Isaac, are you doing robotics? Jay, are you going to do robotics? Guillermo, are you doing robotics, Guillermo? Brianna, are you going to be doing robotics with us, Brianna? Did it work? So David, yes, sign up using the link. Ooh. All right. So for those of you who logged in, good job. Now you're going to do the getting started missions, which are 3 missions. They're extremely easy. You shouldn't be getting red squares. So this is where I mean, don't skip anything. If you are like have music in the background on your Chromebook, if you have a YouTube video playing or anything like that, I would shut it down. The CoderZ uses a lot of your Wi-Fi, a lot of your power. So if you have stuff running in the background, it might just slow everything down. If you ever get stuck here, like it's just give it a couple of seconds to load. But if it's been a minute and it hasn't loaded, just click on CoderZ or refresh it to help it load. It will take a long time to load. So you want to make sure that you don't have background apps. Today, I want you to do activity mission 1, 2, and 3. Just today, it should take you about 5 minutes to do. But the most important thing is read the pop-up windows. Okay, read the pop-up windows. That's how it's teaching you how to do these. The pop-up windows. Oh yes, you need to have. Okay, so CoderZ only works on a Chromebook, a laptop, a computer. It does not work on your iPad. It does not work on your phone. Hence, STEM students were allowed to check out Chromebooks. 99% of the students at McFadden don't have Chromebooks, but because you're registered to this class, you were allowed to check out a Chromebook. This is a day we check out, you need them. Sean, did you register? Sean, are you there? Sean? So Emily, you got to catch up like after class. Sean, are you there, Sean? Sean? Hannah, what's going on? Let me see. But you have a computer, Hannah, right? You have your own device, not an iPad. When we bought this program, because we paid a lot of money for this program, kids. When we bought it, they told us iPads don't work. And we're just like, no problem. Our kids checked out Chromebooks. So these little pop-up windows will be there. Read them. As we progress, it teaches you how to do things. And eventually when we really start coding, you'll be taking notes on what it says, right? So here, this first mission just teaches you how to hit start. Hit start, and then the robot will be activated, collect the batteries, right? Then next, read what it says, Writing code is as easy as snapping blocks together. Some of you have already learned how to do blocks. Snap away and may the code be with you. Sean, are you there, Sean? Can you respond to me, Sean? So again, it does take a long time to load. I do have like 1,000 windows I should be closing. Writing code is as easy as snapping. So here it just wants you to snap it together, literally teaching you how to snap. So you just click, snap, perfect. Then it hits play. The first couple of missions really literally just hold your hand. You don't want to go too fast because these little tiny things that it's teaching you will be essential when we get into the harder activities. One more. The third mission wants you to actually bring the block from the left-hand side where all your codes are. Oops, it looks like someone forgot to add the drive block. So it tells you where to go, right? Literally what to do. All right. If you click on CoderZ here, it'll bring you back to the home page. I've completed the 3 missions, right? I just want you to do 3 missions. If I go to your class, it literally tells me where you guys are at. So Diego, I see that you've completed the 3 missions. Fantastic. Sean, either it's a yes or no. It's not a let me check. If you get a red, go back and do it again. We don't want any reds. We want the class to be at 100%. So Sean, go back to the chat where I send the link to everybody. Because right now, the people who are registered for the class, who have been paying attention for the last, I don't know, 20 minutes. So, oh, fantastic. So look at all these kids with the green. Fantastic. Those are the students who have completed the mission. I've only want you to do the first 3 today, just the first 3. We're just getting our feet wet, no big deal. So thank you for registering. Angel, Jorge, Valentin, Stephanie, Diego, Giselle, Ethan, Miguel, Kevin, Ashmia, Matthew registered but hasn't done anything. Matthew, get on it. Eric is currently working. Dylan is currently working. Emily, I don't know. Your device is up, right? Vincent, are you here, Vincent? Isaac is currently working. So what I like about CoderZ is literally tells me who's on task, who's not on task live and in person. So I know that the following students have not even created their accounts. That would be Sean, got a great account. Logan, hello, Logan. Osvaldo hasn't logged in. Isaac, I don't know where Isaac is. Hannah, do we have a Chromebook or a laptop you can use? Jay, Guillermo, are you there, Jay? Are you there, Guillermo? Nathan's missing. Nathan, are you here? All right, Hannah, you're gonna have to catch up after school then. Brianna, are you here, Brianna? Brianna, David, were you able to log in or not using the link? So you click on the link and like I showed in class, you'll get, Sean, so you'll get this window, then you'll see my name there, yay. And then you click on sign up and then you'll click on sign in with Google. That way, you don't have to create a username or password. I have access to it. So I don't want to know your personal passwords. I don't want to know your personal usernames. If you use sign in with Google, we're good. We're good. So once you logged in, so let me refresh. Let's see, because Sean and Osvaldo, let me double check that you've signed in correctly. David, yes, you're in the class. Osvaldo, Hannah, you're in the class. Jay, you're in the class. Sean, you're in the class. Osvaldo, oh. Osvaldo, I don't see you here. Are you sure? Click on the link, then you signed in with Google, or create an account, sign in with Google. Let me refresh again. Don't see you there. Okay, so then let me see. David, when you first log in, you will see, literally you'll see this when you log in, right? This will be kind of like your home page. So you're just completing mission 1, 2, 3. You can't do anything further because I limit you. So all you're doing today is mission 1, 2, 3. And for those of you who have done it, you realize it just takes you 5 minutes. It's just going through the process. I see all these green boxes. That means you have completed it. You're going to get points for doing this. So sign up and I'm going to check. I'm going to start checking today and then tomorrow. Osvaldo, I don't have you logged into my class because I don't see you on my list, Osvaldo. Because you should come up here in the O's between Miguel Angel and Sean, but you don't. So did you click on this link? Did that link have my name on the top right here? This is the first screen you see. And then don't have an account. So you click sign up and then you click sign in with Google. So Osvaldo, follow those steps. Yeah, Sean. Yeah, you're good, Sean. Now complete the 3 missions, Sean. But Osvaldo, Osvaldo says he's registered, but he's not on my list. So that's why I'm like, I'm going to refresh. Nice. Okay. So, okay, Brianna, thank you for logging on. Perfect. Love it, guys. Good job creating your accounts. Did Isaac create an account? Yes, he did. Okay, cool. Who else do I gotta, who else is missing? Who else do I gotta yell at? Oh, did Guillermo? No, Guillermo, are you there, Guillermo? Hello, Guillermo, are you there? Can you hear me, Guillermo? Nathan? Okay. Hi, Guillermo. Welcome to our class. We're doing robotics. You need to create an account. So, but you're not on my list. Did you click on my link? What's going on, Guillermo? Let's see. Let me refresh. Because you got to be on my list. You got to be on my list. Does it say? Let's see. Oh, there you are, Guillermo. Awesome. Thank you, Guillermo. And I don't get anything else. Okay. So Osvaldo, all I see is a screen that says welcome to CoderZ. Okay. Osvaldo, you clicked on my link, right, Osvaldo? Can you confirm that you clicked on my personal? Okay, yes. Did you get a website that looks like this? And you know what? Maybe close that other website and start from fresh. Maybe click on the link again. Click on the blue link, don't have an account. Click, sign in with Google. Because if you register my class, then you'll get those 3 missions. Nathan, are you here, Nathan? Nathan. So Vincent, Hannah, Guillermo, Emily, David, if you can start your missions, that would be amazing. If I can get some contact with Nathan, is Nathan out there? And Logan, is Logan out there? Can Logan hear me? Did he walk away from Zoom? So no, so this is basically you have to screenshot it, Miguel and everybody, and then upload a screenshot that you successfully logged in. And tomorrow, I will be giving you points for completing missions 1, 2, and 3. That's going to be worth 30 points, 10 points for each activity. And dude, you know those activities were easy. So that's going to be the mission for tomorrow. And tomorrow, we will actually be going more into